Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of engineering chemistry. We'll dive into key concepts like effective nuclear charge, variations, s, p, d and f orbital energies of atoms in periodic table. Slide 1. Effective nuclear charge, Introduction. Introduction to effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge is a fundamental concept in understanding the behavior of electrons in multi-electron atoms. It essentially represents the net positive charge experienced by an electron. In a multi-electron atom, the nucleus exerts an attractive force on electrons. However, not all electrons experience the full nuclear charge, Z, due to the presence of other electrons that create a shielding effect. This shielding reduces the overall attractive force that the outer electrons feel. Therefore, effective nuclear charge is always less than the actual nuclear charge, Z. Formula and explanation. Z, total number of protons in the nucleus, representing the nuclear charge. S, shielding constant, representing the electron repulsion effect by inner electrons. Example calculation. For sodium, Na, Z equals 11, since Na has 11 protons. S approximately equals 10, since 10 electrons are in inner shells. Therefore, effective nuclear charge equals 11 to 10 equals 1. This means the outermost electron in Na feels an effective charge of +1, despite the nucleus having 11 protons. Significance of effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge helps explain periodic trends like atomic size, ionization energy, and electron affinity. Higher effective nuclear charge pulls electrons closer, decreasing atomic radius and increasing ionization energy. Conversely, a lower effective nuclear charge results in weaker attraction and a larger atomic radius. Slide 2. Factors affecting effective nuclear charge. 1. Atomic number, Z. As Z increases, the number of protons increases, raising the nuclear charge. For example, in moving across a period from Na, Z equals 11, to Cl, Z equals 17, the nuclear charge increases, resulting in a higher effective nuclear charge. 2. Shielding effect, S. Inner electrons block the nuclear charge from reaching outer electrons, reducing effective nuclear charge. Electrons in s orbitals shield more effectively than those in p, d, or f orbitals due to their proximity to the nucleus. 3. Electron configuration. Electrons in inner orbitals shield more effectively than those in the same shell. Example, 2s electrons shield 2p electrons, reducing the effective nuclear charge experienced by 2p electrons. 4. Orbital type, s, p, d, f. S-orbitals have the highest penetration and shield more effectively. F-orbitals are the least penetrating and have the lowest shielding effect. 5. Penetration effect. Electrons in lower orbitals penetrate closer to the nucleus, experiencing a higher effective nuclear charge. Example, 2s electrons penetrate more than 2p electrons, resulting in a higher effective nuclear charge. 6. Distance from nucleus. Electrons in outer shells are farther from the nucleus and experience lower effective nuclear charge. 7. Electron-electron repulsion. More electrons in the same shell increase repulsion, reducing effective nuclear charge. Example for understanding. Compare effective nuclear charge for lithium, Li, and fluorine, F. Li. Z equals 3, S approximately equals 2 right pointing arrow effective nuclear charge approximately equals 1. F. Z equals 9, S approximately equals 2 right pointing arrow effective nuclear charge approximately equals 7. Hence, F has a much stronger effective nuclear charge, attracting its valence electrons more tightly. Slide 3, S, P, D and F orbital energies overview. Understanding orbital energies. The energy levels of electrons are determined by their distance from the nucleus and the shielding effects of other electrons. The order of orbital energy levels, in increasing order, is typically S is less than P is less than D is less than F. This order is based on their distance from the nucleus and the extent of penetration. 1. S orbital, spherical shape, closest to the nucleus, and highest penetration. Lowest energy among all orbitals in a given shell. Example, 1s has lower energy than 2s, and 2s has lower energy than 2p. 2. P orbital, dimple-shaped and slightly higher in energy than s orbitals. Example, 2p is higher in energy than 2s. 3. D orbital, more diffuse and higher in energy than s and p orbitals. Important in transition metals for complex bonding. 4. F orbital, most diffuse, with the least penetration and the highest energy in a given principal quantum level. Example, 4f has a higher energy than 3d and 4s orbitals. Significance of orbital energies. Helps in understanding electron configuration, bonding, and periodic properties. Determines reactivity and bonding nature in metals, nonmetals, and transition elements. Slide 4. Variations in orbital energies across periods. 1. Across a period, left to right. As we move across a period, effective nuclear charge increases due to increased nuclear charge and similar shielding. This results in a gradual decrease in the size of s and p orbitals, increasing their energy. 2. Down a group top to bottom. As we move down a group, principal quantum number, n, increases, leading to larger orbitals. Although effective nuclear charge also increases, the effect of increasing distance and shielding outweighs it, making the electrons easier to remove. 3. Transition metals. D orbital stabilize as the nuclear charge increases. This leads to the unique electronic configurations and multiple oxidation states in transition metals. 4. Lanthanides and actinides. F orbitals are poorly shielded and show minimal contraction across the series. 5. Relativistic effects. In heavier elements, relativistic effects significantly impact d and f orbitals, altering their energies. Example for understanding. Consider the third period elements. 3s is less than 3p is less than 3d. However, as we move across the period, 3d orbitals drop in energy relative to 4s due to increasing effective nuclear charge. Slide 5. Significance of effective nuclear charge and orbital energy variations. 1. Chemical reactivity. Higher effective nuclear charge increases ionization energy, reducing reactivity. Example, noble gases have high effective nuclear charge and low reactivity. 2. Atomic radius. Higher effective nuclear charge reduces atomic size due to stronger nuclear attraction. Example, F has a smaller radius than Na. 3. Ionization energy. Higher effective nuclear charge results in higher ionization energy, making electron removal more difficult. 4. Electron affinity and electronegativity. Higher effective nuclear charge increases the nucleus' ability to attract additional electrons. Example, Cl has higher electron affinity than Na. 5. Bonding. The arrangement and energy of orbitals influence the type and strength of bonds formed. 6. Spectral analysis. Differences in orbital energies correspond to specific wavelengths in spectral analysis. 7. Complex formation in transition metals. D and F orbitals play a crucial role in complex formation, affecting magnetic and optical properties.